Yorobon na nyo sa'yo. Guys, ito na yung part 12 ng mga vocabs na sinusort out natin from book 1 na minimorize ko dati nung ako nag-exam. Songje Solierol Kada, to go on a pilgrimage. Sungham, name. Sitak Seje, detergent. Sitak Girol Tulida, Turana water. Shitakso, laundromat. Sodongyak, antiseptic. Sodogol Hada, to disinfect. Sorry, sounds. Sorirol Koginida, to make noise. Subangwan, firefighter. Subangso, fire station. Suwagwa, pediatrics. Supurul Batta, to receive a package. Supurul Punida, to send a package. Suwaga Antuida, to have indigestion. Suwaje, digestion medicine. Sun, hands. Sunkarak, fingers. Sunnim, customer. Sundida, to touch. Sunmok, rest. Sunul tira, to burn one's hand. Sunul pida, to get a cut on one's finger. Sungum hada, to transfer. Shopping hada, to go shopping. Sogon, towel. Subak, watermelon. Susuryo, face. Susurada, to have surgery. Suop, listen. Puzangada, to rap. Pukpalsong Gayunsong Mulchel, explosives. Pukpo, false. Curul Sada, to buy tickets. Pyujipan, signs. Puraipen, frying pan. Pigonada, to be tired. Pipugwa, dermatology. Pianorol Chida, to play piano. Pizza, pizza. Philippine, the Philippines. Piltong, pencil case. Haksing, student. Hagunidanida, to go to an academy. Hansunuru Mulkunul Chuda, to use one hand to give. Hangada, free. Hanguk, Republic of Korea. Hangugo Kyoyok, Korean lesson. Hangugurul Kungbuhada, to study Korean. Hangulal, Hangul Proclamation Day. Hanbang Chelyo, Chinese medical treatment. Hanbok, Korean traditional clothes. Hansik, Korean food. Hanyak, Chinese herbal medicine. Halmune, grandmother. Harabutse, grandfather. Hangunggon, tickets. Hangsang, always. Hyolje, fever reducers. Himbokada, to be happy.